Today, the subject of staff motivation is going to get all the attention. Patients interact with your staff long before you walk into the reception area or the exam room. You will find that most patients interact with the staff 5 times longer than with physicians. Staff motivation needs to be a priority. And in this video, I'll give you 8 ways to enhance staff morale without spending any extra money. First, promote your mission statement. The mission statement is the roadmap for your practice. My office pledge was created by the staff and states, this office is committed to 1, excellence, 2, best healthcare for our patients, and 3, the persistent attention to the little details because we think they make a big difference. Second, conduct regular staff meetings. There's no better way to bring your staff together than to have creative staff meetings that produce positive changes in behavior that translate to enhanced quality of care for your patients. Circulate an agenda prior to the meeting and have a note taker who then prepares a to-do list and circulates the assignments at the end of the meeting. The third way to enhance morale is to dole out lots of compliments and recognition. Napoleon said he could have conquered the world if he just had enough red ribbon to give out as rewards and recognition. My practice has ABCD awards, or above and beyond the call of duty. My credo is to praise in public and pan in private. When I catch an employee doing something right, my office manager or I send a thank you note to the employee's home address. Fourth, conduct regular performance reviews. Employees are more motivated when they know where they stand and how they can improve. That is because uncertainty kills motivation even more than negative criticism. The best way to furnish this important feedback is with periodic performance reviews by the office manager or a doctor every 3 to 4 months. Give the employee a worksheet of what they want to review beforehand, then find out how to assist in their professional growth and development. I recommend that you document the interview in the employee's files. Fifth, empower your staff to make decisions within the practice. The most successful practices empower their employees to assume responsibility for practice decisions and actions, which makes them feel valued and important and makes the practice more efficient. I empower my employees to make financial decisions up to $200 without consulting with the doctor or the office manager. For example, if the office needs a new fax machine, the employees find the best machine. I also give employees a cash reward for expense or overhead reduction ideas. Sixth, surprise your staff with positive reinforcement. Whenever you can provide an unexpected perk for your staff, you will be sure that they will appreciate the gesture. For example, 2 employees were absent for a week, but in spite of being shorthanded, we were able to function at the regular speed and capacity without affecting the quality of care. To thank the staff for their extra effort, I arranged for a massage therapist to give everyone a 15-minute massage at the end of the work week. It is important to recognize their stellar efforts in some small way. Otherwise, the staff most probably will not make the effort the second time such a situation arises and may well feel slighted and downcast for not being recognized. Seventh, promote a positive mental attitude. As Henry David Thoreau once said, nothing great was ever achieved without enthusiasm. When you, the doctor, have a positive mental attitude in your practice, you motivate your employees by setting the example. And finally, encourage continuing education. Just as physicians need CME, your staff members require continuing motivational experiences as well. It is a good investment to encourage your employees to participate in various continuing education courses and support their efforts financially. When the employee completes a course or extra training, have a copy of the certificate framed and hung in the office for the other staff members to see that you are serious about promoting their personal development. So what's the bottom line? By encouraging your staff to develop team spirit makes good business sense. When your employees have a personal investment in problem solving and decision making, they will go the extra mile for the patients and the practice.